Coleman in the middle of a lot of Canadians, and now Sherratt and Goodrow are going at it.
You got to figure you got to take one out of the pile here. As
Kelly Sutherland's going to take two at least, and Eric Furlat may size up a couple more penalties after all this is done.
This is not a game for the Fearless. You got one team, one win away from winning the Stanley Cup.